Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today on the menu, I will be preparing some delicious honey garlic glazed chicken breast. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So here are my chicken breasts that I deboned myself. You have to use boneless chicken breast for the recipe. So I washed my chicken breast and then I pat dry it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut the chicken breast in half. I'm not perfect at this point, guys. Sometimes I cut it on one side is still bigger than the other, but I'm going to use a rolling pin to flatten it. If you have a meat mallet, you can also use it. So I'm just going to slice both chicken breasts and then I move on to the next step. So if you are enjoying the content, please remember to give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So as I was saying earlier, guys, I'm not perfect at doing them evenly. So I am going to do the thicker part first. So normally I would use a plastic and place over the chicken breast and then I pound it, but guys, I totally forgot to do it this time. So ensure that you do it with yours. So I'm just going to pound all of them, and then after I flatten the meat, when you flatten your chicken breast, it will cook evenly. So I don't know what was happening to me, guys, but it's like while I was doing the recording, it's like I was all over the place, guys. Trust me. I totally forgot to add the oil first and then I add the seasoning. So when I remembered, I added it, but I started adding the seasoning already. So the best way to do it is to add the oil first so that the seasoning will stick to the chicken. But I did not remember to do it, guys. So ensure that you do it. Don't be like me who is forgetful. So I'm just adding some all-purpose season and black pepper to the chicken. I like to season them one at a time, then to add the chicken, all of them in a bowl, and then I throw the season on it. I prefer to do it like this. But if you want to put them in a bowl and then you season it, it's up to you. So just ensure that you season both sides, and then you're going to rub in the season well. So guys, ensure that you spend enough time to season your chicken well. This way you will have the most delicious chicken. So in this container I have lemon pepper seasoning, I have onion and garlic powder. So I'm going to be adding it to my chicken. So if you like, guys, you could add all the seasoning at once in a container and mix them together, and then you pour it on your chicken. But if you want to do the way I do it, guys, it's more time consuming, but I enjoy doing it the way I did, so I don't have any problem with it. Okay, so just do it the way that you're comfortable with. So I'm just adding the seasoning on both sides of each piece of the chicken, and then I move on to the next step, of course. So here I have quarter cup of all-purpose flour. So I will be lightly coating each piece of the chicken into the flour. So I will not be using a lot of flour for the recipe. So I'm just gonna coat each piece and then I fry them. So okay, guys, so to the pot I will be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted butter. I did not add any salt to my chicken. I know I'll be using some dark soy sauce. I know it's salty, but I will not be adding a lot of soy sauce, so the salt don't trouble me, guys. Alright, I know my season doesn't have a lot of salt in it, so if your season has a lot of salt, then please use unsalted butter. So just add your chicken pieces to the heated butter after it has been melted, and then you're going to fry it each piece for about 5 minutes. Do not over fry your chicken breast. If you do that, then your chicken breast is going to be very dry, and nobody likes a dry chicken breast. So as you can see guys, my chicken breast is looking beautiful. So I'm just going to let the next side fry for about 4 more minutes, and then I'll remove them from the pot. So here I'm just removing my chicken pieces from the pot. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. After it has been melted, I'm going to add 2 minced garlic cloves. My garlic cloves, they're not big, but you know I use the garlic powder already, so you know it still has a lot of garlic in it. So just let the garlic cook until it becomes fragrant, and then I'm going to add some flakes, some pepper flakes. So I'm not adding a lot of pepper flakes, I just want it to have a little flavor from it, but not the heat. I don't like pepper guys, I'm afraid of it, but if you love pepper, you can use more of the red pepper flakes. So I'm just going to stir them together around in the pot just to bring out all the flavors together. Afterwards, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of honey. If you like, you can add more honey depending on how sweet you like it, but I don't love a lot of sweet, so the 1/4 cup is enough for me. So you know you're going to mix them around together. So as I said, you know you want them to bring out flavors together. Alright, so I'm using a low flame. After about 2 minutes, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. If you have oyster sauce, you can also add some oyster sauce with the soy sauce. Alright, so you know the oyster sauce will bring out more flavor with the dark soy sauce, but I had only the soy sauce at the moment, so I'm just using what I have. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of white vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, go ahead and use. I also added 1/4 cup of water. I lost the clip for that part guys, I don't know where it went, I only realized that it was recording. You could also add 1/4 cup of chicken stock if you want more flavor, but the water, it will still taste delicious. So after about 2 to 3 minutes after I added the water and it starts to get thick, I am adding my chicken. So you don't want to start pouring the sauce on the chicken until your sauce becomes thick. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just glazing the chicken pieces. You want to do it gently, and you know you want to ensure that all of it get the sauce. So guys, this is the end product. I am just adding some dry parsley flakes to it. If you have the fresh one, use it. It will be more vibrant and beautiful. So if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe guys, turn on your post notification bell so you will never miss another upload. If you try the recipe, comment down below and give me your feedback. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.